Today on Kung Fu Maintenance, showing you a couple places you can find the part numbers for your stove range elements. I put links in the description below where you can order elements, and I make a small commission on anything ordered through there. Helps support the channel. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you. Kung Fu Maintenance, well, just doing a checkup units to see if I can use a universal range fan. See how universal these elements are. This is the element for the stove. And also just do a comparison visually how it looks in comparison as well. Obviously it's different on the center post. And we're going to see if these will even work at all with these particular range fans. These are just plug and play, so it should match up pretty good there. Here we go, plugging it in. And the problem is it doesn't sit so well. So it's really not going to work. It doesn't sit in a deal, you have to force it. The other problem is it didn't want to come unplugged, so that's not going to work for me. I'm going to have to go back to the drawing board and get the same kind, because it just doesn't sit well. So the way it is sometimes, but they try to say stuff is universal, but oftentimes that's not the case. For model number or serial number, it is usually down here, right there. So I just snap a photo of that with my phone and then take it back to, and I can look up the parts on Sears Parts Direct. It makes it pretty easy to find the exact replacement part number. The other thing is actually probably find the part number right on the element. Looking at, now you need almost a newer one to do it. I happen to look right here, and I could see the imprint stamp in the side of the metal. There we go. WB30X2482 GE. So that's kind of cool. It's a good idea to map those things out early on. So take a photo of that with my phone as well, so I can lock that in, and the same on the smaller size element. See, there it is, same deal. So take a photo with my phone. There it is. Finding the part numbers or the model numbers, giving you a few different options. And again, I'll take a photo of the model number for the stove as well, just in case it proves trickier to find. So that's the way it is sometimes. We'll get the model number right there. Bam. All right. Bring that up. There it is. JB250 GF5SA is the model number. All right. A quick search of my YouTube channel. You should find a bunch of different videos that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs. Also, there's links in the description below the videos to tools and parts used in the videos.